Hey, hello, Brady Theodore here again tonight, or maybe it's this afternoon, maybe it's morning. Anyway, we are here today to talk about building landing pages and sales funnels with one of the most powerful tools, software platforms that you're going to find on the internet at this time. If you like what you see today, this afternoon, reach below, subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be back numerous times with all kinds of videos on how to use the Power Profit Network. So with no further ado, I'm going to share my screen and show you how easy it is to use this software. And here's a screen share. That's my Facebook page. We don't really need to see that. But right here, I've already got my tab. This is what the landing page that you would see as soon as it loads up here. When I'm running a Zoom, I run a little bit slower. Come on now. There we go. Here's the landing page for the Power Profit Network. We make marketing easy. You can take action now. Right here is my computer is running a little slow when I run a Zoom. There it is. It shows a little entry video about what this is all about. We don't want to sit and go through that. This is an all-in-one marketing platform. So easy to use. I'm going to go ahead and sign in the back office. And you will see right here, this is part of it. We're going to the dashboard. And this is a list of tools that the back office has. The Power Builder. This is a totally automated system. We've got an Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter assistant. You can put all your post on autopilot and let this system do it all for you. A total time saving package. We offer free vacations as vacation bait. We've got an image creator or a graphic design studio right here in the back office to make your posts with if you need be. And right here in the Power Builder area, this has got a number of training videos that are going to pop up here that will help you get started. But you don't need to rely on these because I am available just about 24/7 for anybody that comes into this network and needs help. The whole group of people, we're all here to help each other out. But anyway, we're here to show you how to build a landing page and how easy it is. When you start in this system, what you want to do is go to this little pull down here. I've got a number of funnels being built already. But here we're going to create a sales funnel. You will name that, whichever name you want to use, whatever campaign you're running. You will go to your lists. When you go to landing page, and not lists, I'm sorry, you go to landing pages, and this is going to give you a bunch of different tabs here with sales pages, company pages, video promotions, personal, some more that are coming soon, thank you notes, and other forms. These are where you'll find all your templates. Right here, if we look, let's do this twice, you'll see a number of pre-made templates right here. The difference with these between all of them are you'll see how they're set up, and we can view each one for a little preview to make sure you have the type of page that you want to start building on. You'll see that like this one and the last one I just showed you has no video in it. The text up here may be slightly different from the next. So when you're first starting off, your text looks different. So find the one that you like the format of the text, if it has a video or no video. So I'm going to show you a little trick beyond this. So let's say we use this and we select it. We've named our funnel now we're going to name our page the same as our funnel, keep everything in line. And now we've got a page to start working with. You can see the background, well, besides the background, see these little icons here. These are so that you can change everything on this page. These do not show up once the page is published and live. But here, let's say on the background, you would want to change that background image. Click on the file folder. This is a cloud-based software, so you would start yourself a new file, download or upload a video from your file to here. We can do that real quick. I've got a number already in here, number of files and pictures, but we'll just add one more for kicks and giggles. Go to your picture files and find something that you would want to make a backdrop out of. Oh, I need a nice little clean picture. Say we'll make it of Bloomington, Indiana downtown, which is, this is what this picture is. Update that, and now you've got your background picture set and ready to go. That easy. This t-shirt, this is going to be a highlight of your page. You may want to change that image. Again, same difference. You're going to go here. I've got a number of pictures in here that I can use. So I'm just going to update it with a little Harley Bar and Shield logo. I ride a Harley Davidson, so I have pictures like that in here. In your text box, if you just left click on that, it highlights it, as you can see. You can back all of this out of here. Let's see. Bring on the Harleys, just for something to say. Retype that in. Get in here just like any other word processor, anything that you're using. You can come in here and change the colors on the text that easily. You can add pictures. You can add links. Make this little italic there. You can add links to it. Anyway, now we've already created a landing page. Now let's say the action button, let's say just you want to take this to anywhere that's got a URL, but in this case, we're going to say, let's take it back to your main Facebook page. Just copy your Facebook URL, place it right here under the URL, back out that little hashtag, and update this. Now you've got a fully functional web page right here. Of course, you can change this text to anything that you would like. Come over here and save and publish this page. Publish successfully. Go back to landing pages. You see right here it's showing as published. If you don't like the way it looks, you can come back in here and edit that page at any time. If you don't like it at all, you can delete the whole thing. You don't have to do anything. But right now, we want to make sure that this is a working, well, I know for a fact that this is working. It's published. This is a working link right now. But you want to make sure that your action button is working. So I go into an incognito window or a private viewing window because as you are signed into the back office, this is cloud-based. When you're signed in, you cannot do any work. You can't see if your action buttons are working within the same browser. So I go to an incognito browser and window. So here's your landing page, which is live on the internet. We can try the redeem code here, which as a matter of fact, we can change that lettering also. Everything on here is modified. Again, my computer is a little slow because of the Zoom running alongside of it. Come on now, there it is. It took me, the action button took me to my personal Facebook page, which is what we had directed that to do. So you've got a working landing page here now, folks. So that easy. So we can close this. We've still got our page here. To see how easy this is, you can open this now in any new tab, which it's loading up. I could have done this in the past window also. But here's your landing page. Here is your link for that landing page. You can copy this and just, let's see, put that right here, paste it in that new window, and kaboom, there you are, live on the internet. This is all SEO friendly also. But before we get into all that, let's go back, close that window out. Well, here's our page. While you're in here editing this page, I kind of neglected to show you this. You've got the option to see this on a full PC window view while you're doing your edits. You can see this in tablet mode. You can also see this down on mobile phone mode. So if any of your printing is not coming out exactly the way you like it, you can play that with this down here so everything lines up perfectly in mobile phone mode. Back to the PC screen. Now you're thinking, well, that's great. I've got a one-page landing page. Well, that's not all this system does. Here's a big shock to everybody. Come down here where it says insert block. You insert a new block, you've got an option to put a number of different headers. Move out. You can insert a block and put columns, content, videos, photos, action buttons. You can put live maps in the bottom of these. These are basically mini web pages. These are not just landing pages. These are fully functional web pages. You can add testimonials, countdown clocks. But the really neat thing is, let's just say here we want to add a video to the background. So we're going to add another page, which we've just done, another block to the top of our first page. And here is where the video is right here. Let's go here to modify this video. You can see it's asking for a URL, a YouTube URL. You can use any HTTPS URL. This is all secured network, secured pages. But let's go over to YouTube real quick. Well, as quick as my computer will go to it. Or is that not the easiest way to go? Let me see. Oh, now what do I do? Freeze up on me? There we go. YouTube. Load up. Again, I apologize for the slow computer when I'm running a Zoom. Hey, why did YouTube not come up? Come on, YouTube. YouTube. Hang in there. Oh my. Here we are. Once you're on YouTube, you can use your own videos, or you can use any video that you see that is going to fit the project that you're working with. Here's a little video here. Let's let this start up. And come on now. All right, so we'll just pause that where it's at. What we want is this link right here for this video. We're going to copy that link. We're going to go back to our landing page. We're going to set that link right here and paste it. And we're going to use the parse button. We're going to update this. You can see now you've got a new video right here in this block. Logo in here. We can modify the image. We can just take this completely. Now you have no logo, or you can place your logo in the frame, whatever you want to do. Again, down here, you can change the text. Let's see, find the free watch. Just for kicks and giggles. That's all we're doing here. format any of this. You can align this left and right, justify it. You can save the, make the font larger. Again, change the colors of the font. Now we have our action button. Again, you can change this back here to take it anywhere that you want. But anyway, go right over here, and you can continue to add to these pages and make these longer, bigger, more information for any business or opportunity. This is nothing more than an easy way to customize your business, put it on the internet, mini web pages, landing pages, squeeze pages, whatever you want to call it. That is what this is doing. So we come over here, save and publish, and it is now ready to go. It's that easy, folks. That easy to make yourself a custom designed website with a clickable link that can be used anywhere. You can take this and hook up your domain names to them, which I've got about 8 running. You can do anything with this system. This is only how to build a simple landing page. I'm going to be back again real soon and dive on into some more tools. They're in this back office. We'll get into the list and email campaign building. Up here, you keep noticing the nearby notifications. We will get into how this ties into nearby beacon technology. A lot going on in this. I'm going to tell you right now, the cost of this is way less than you would ever expect. I'll give you a hint. It's less than $50 a month, much less. This is a limited time offer. If this is something that you believe you can use, it's going to help you generate leads for your business, just give me a call. Reach out to me. I've got a number of different sites. You can get hold of me right here on YouTube. You can subscribe to my channel. I will continue to be here bringing more training for this system. You can use any one of my domains. You can go to bradytheodore.com. You can hook up with me there through one of the sites, one of the landing pages I built with this system. So anyway, I hope you gain some value out of this and that you see that there is another way on the internet that you can build custom sales funnels and landing pages so easy that basically a 5-year-old can do it these days. So anyway, I'm going to bring this up. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I'm going to say thank you so much for joining me this evening or this afternoon or this morning, whatever time of day it is that you're watching. Subscribe to my channel. Come back to me. Follow my link down below. Take a look at the back of, or take a look at the landing page for the Power Profit Network. See all the tools that are offered. If you have any questions, just reach out and contact me. I'm here all the time. I'm going nowhere. I love the system. I love showing off the system. I love using the system. Thank you very much, and I will see you all very, very soon.